Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. Today I will discuss all arithmetic instruction of 8085 microprocessor. The After watching this video, you are able to give answer about all arithmetic instructions which are used in 8085 microprocessor during some operation. As example, you can take addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement. So all the instructions related to arithmetic I am going to discuss in this video. So what is meaning of arithmetic instructions? Arithmetic instructions are the instructions which perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction and few more. Means also you can take example of multiplication, division, increment, decrement, decimal to hexadecimal to decimal conversion, because we have many instructions which are used in 8085 microprocessor to perform arithmetic operation here. And also as we discuss many times, whatever operation you are going to perform in microprocessor, the output will be stored in accumulator. Here the list of some arithmetic instructions. In this video I am going to discuss each and every instructions. Here you can find this type of instruction used for addition purpose, this for subtraction purpose and this for other purpose as like increment, decrement and hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So these are instruction, and just I am going to discuss each and every instruction one by one. Hope by looking at example you can easily understand how this type of instruction is going to work during the arithmetic operation in 8085 microprocessor. So let me start. First instruction is add R. R means register. Register can be any as like A, B, C, D, E, H, L. We have 7 register which are generally used to perform any operation. The 8th register is flag register. So actually we have already discussed the working of flag register is very different from the general purpose register, and accumulator also. Here M represent memory, and we have already discussed what is meaning of M. Now just what is definition of this instruction? The content of register or memory address are added to the content of accumulator and the output will be stored in accumulator. Just let me take an example, then you can easily understand what happening here. Suppose the content of A is 05, here you can see, okay, and the content of B is 06. When you going to write add B, meaning of this will be A plus B. After addition, whatever output will be, that output will be stored in accumulator. So here you can see the content of A is 05, the content of B is 06. After this operation, both will be added, means output will be 11, but in hexadecimal that will be 0B, and that 0B will be stored in accumulator. So this is process. Suppose you have written add C. Okay, you written add C. Add C means you are going to add A plus C. Same as add B means A plus B, add D means A plus D, add E means A plus E, add A means A plus S. Means you are going to add the content of accumulator with accumulator itself, and in that case output will be stored in accumulator itself also. So this is working of addition instruction. Here we are talking about add M, means suppose the content of A is 05 and the memory location which is pointed by HL pair is 2050, and the content at this memory location is 05. Here 05 is represented by M. If you are going to do add M means A plus M, the content of A is 05, the content of M is 05, 05 plus 05 that equal to 10, but in hexadecimal that will be 0A, and that 0A will be stored in accumulator. So this is process of how add instruction is going to work in 8085 microprocessor. Now, second instruction is ADCR. R means register, which I have already told you. A, B, C, D, E, H, L. M represent memory, which I have already discussed in previous example. Now, just take example, so we can understand what is difference between add and ADC. Here, the content of register or memory and the carry flag are added to content of accumulator, and the result is stored in the accumulator. Now, let us just take an example. Suppose the content of A is 05, content of B is 06, and suppose you have performed any previous operation and their value of carry flag is 01. So, when you are going to execute this instruction, meaning of this instruction will be A plus B plus carry. So, here value of A is 05, B is 06 and carry is 1. 5 plus 6 plus 1 equal will be 12, and 12 written in hexadecimal as 0C. So, here we can get output 0C in accumulator. In same manner, we can talk about memory, and I think I have already discussed what is meaning of memory. So, here the content of this location 05 will be memory, and if you are going to write ADCM means A plus M plus carry, so we can get 0B. So, this is a simple working process of addition instructions. Now, moving towards ADI 8-bit data, means here you can see the format for mentioning ADI 45H. Here we are going to add 8-bit data directly to accumulator, and output will be stored in accumulator. So, by this example you can easily understand. Here you can see the content of A is 05 and you have written ADI 06, means that 06 will be directly added to 05 and your output will be stored in accumulator. So, here you can get. Now, talking about ACI, ACI means here A plus given data plus carry. Suppose there is a carry 01, after ACI 06, that will be A plus 06 plus carry, and your output will be stored in accumulator. So, this is working of this instruction, and we are here we are talking about direct data. In previous example, we are getting data through the register, means we are getting data indirectly, but here we are getting 8-bit data directly. So, this is a basic difference between add ADC and ADI ACI, because here we are adding data directly without using any register, but in those cases we are taking register to add data in accumulator. So, this is difference is only for direct and indirect. Now, DAD, basically DAD is used to add a 16-bit register to each other. Here what happen in this case, suppose just by taking example, I think you can easily understand. This instruction is used to add for 16-bit data. Here suppose the content of HL is 2050, content of 305 D is 3050, and when you are going to execute this instruction, meaning of this will be HL plus D, and your output will be stored in HL pair. Here HL works as memory pointer, or you can say this is works as accumulator. So, here after addition output will be stored in HL and the content of D will be not changed. Suppose you have written DAD B. Okay. Here B means you are going to add HL plus BC and your output will be stored in HL. So, this is simple working of DAD. Now, subtraction. If you are talking about subtraction instruction, it is just opposite of addition, because in addition we are going to add the content in accumulator and store output in accumulator. Here we are going to subtract the content from the accumulator, means sub r means a minus r, sub m means a minus m. So, directly we can take some example. Actually, I am not going to read this statement. I think you are much aware about what is meaning of this. By example, you can easily understand what happening here. In sub, suppose the content of A is 0.6 and content of B is 0.5, and when you have written sub means you are going to subtract the content of B from A, and in this case output you will store in accumulator as well. In same case here you can see the content of A is 0.6, HL is 205, the content of this is 0.5, sub m means A minus m. Okay. Now, SBB means subtract source and borrow from the accumulator. Here we are doing, suppose the content of A is 0.5, content of B is 0.1 and the carry flag is 0.1 means borrow. So, after this instruction that will be A minus B minus borrow. So, here we are going to subtract borrow also from the accumulator. In case of memory, A minus M minus borrow. So, this is working of these instructions. And now we can talk about SUI and SBI. Basically, these are opposite to ADI and SEI. Okay. Here we are subtracting 8-bit data directly from the accumulator. So, here you can see example. Suppose the content of A is 0.8. After writing this 0.6, A minus 0.6 means we are subtracting 8-bit data directly. Here we are subtracting 8-bit data and also borrow. So, A minus 0 minus C. Here we can see A minus 0.4 minus C. So, basically this is instruction is opposite of ADI and this is SEI, opposite of SEI. Actually, sorry, here this is wrong. Here should be SBI, not SEI. So, I am really sorry for that. Okay. Then A minus 0.4 minus C. Now, talking about some other instruction, there is a INR. INR means increment, and R means this represent register, M represent memory. Here, now what is difference? The content of designated register or memory are incremented by 1 and result is stored in same place. Here, suppose the content of B is 0.6 and if you are going to execute this instruction INR B, what will happen? This instruction will increment the value of B by 1 and store the incremented value in same register. We are not talking about any concept of accumulator. Suppose you have written increment A, in that case the value of A will be incremented by 1 and that value will be stored in accumulator itself. And we are talking about C, in that case the value of C will be incremented by 1 and the incremented value is stored in C. Same in case of memory. Here the content of memory is 0.6, when you are going to execute this instruction. After this instruction, the value of M will be 0.7 and that 0.7 will be stored in at this memory location. Now, talking about INX, X represent register pair. Here RP means register pair and we have 3 register pair. One is B register, BC, HL and D. Okay. Suppose the content of HL pair is 2050, when you are going to execute, basically this will increase the value of pair by 1. So, here we can get 2051. Now, DCR is just opposite of increment. Here we are decrementing the content by 1. So, we can see example here, the content of B is 0.6, after DCRB that will be 0.5 in case of M also, and here we are decrementing the content of register pair. So, these are some instructions. Now, talking about last instruction of arithmetic, that is DAO, and this is a very important instruction, and just try to understand how this instruction work. Basically, meaning of this instruction is decimal adjust accumulator. Simple meaning is that whatever operation you perform in accumulator, that is in 8085 microprocessor, the output will be stored in accumulator and the form of output will be hexadecimal. But if you want to convert that hexadecimal number in decimal, then you have to use this instruction, and the working of this instruction is basically convert hexadecimal into decimal. Now, question is that how this instruction work. So, here there are two conditions. One condition is if the value of lower order 4 bit in the accumulator is greater than 9, then add 06 to the output. If value of higher order 4 bit is accumulator is greater than 9, then add 06, then we can get output. Now, just take a simple example. Here you can see two numbers 38 and 45. If you are going to add this number, we will get 70. Okay. Now, this is lower and this is higher. If you check, we can we are getting D is greater than 9, then you have to add 06 in this output, 0 and this is 6. Okay. Then what we get? 83, and here you can see also when you are going to add by using decimal method, also you get 83 and also we are getting here 83, means both are equal. Now, you can take a simple example, second example 55 and 55. When you are going to add this, what we will get in hexadecimal? A. Okay. Now, this is also greater than 9, this is also greater than 9, then add 6 here and add 6 here. Now, what we get? A means 10, 6 means 16, and in hexadecimal 16 is written as 10. So, this is 0, 1 carry will be transferred here. Now, 10 and 1 11, 6 16, 17, and 17 in hexadecimal written as 1 1. So, here we get 1 1 10 in hexadecimal also, and also when you are going to add directly we also get 1 1 0. So, I hope by looking at these two examples you can easily understand how this instruction is going to work. Okay friends, so I have already discussed all instructions which is required to do arithmetic operation in 8085 microprocessor. Now, I am going to show you two examples. So, after solving this example, you can easily understand the concept of arithmetic instruction, how they are going to work in 8085 microprocessor. So, let me solve one example for you only, so you can easily understand. Just I am going to solve these instructions. Okay, but here you can see the one instruction. Meaning of this will be A minus A. Okay, means your output will be 0. Means after this instruction the content of A will be 0. Okay, I think you got my point. So, I am not going to solve these lines, because after this we are getting content of accumulator as 0. Now, after this line, that will be 0 0 plus 06, we will get 06. Now, content of accumulator will be 06. ADCB means A plus B plus carry, content of A is 06, content of B is 06, that is given here, and the content of carry flag is 01. 1, that will be 6 6 12 13. 13 means in hexadecimal, that will be 0D. I think you get my point. Now, when you are going to perform add B, add M, add means A plus M, content of A is 0D and plus 1, that will be 0 E. Okay. Here you can see is greater than 9, then you have to add 06 here. Okay. After adding 06, you can get output in decimal also. Why I have add 06? Because here we are using DA, and DA will check both byte, lower byte and higher byte. Here we can see lower byte is greater than 9, thus then add 06. Now just try to solve it by using decimal consideration. Here 06 B 06 means that will be 12 and plus 1 carry flag, that will be 13, and M that will be 14. So here we will get 14. If you are going to solve this, you also will get 14, means by converting in decimal is same as doing in decimal. So this is in this example, and also as same manner you can solve this example also, and try to solve any program step by step. So you can easily understand, and just try to write down कि after this instruction what is value of A, what is B, and what is C, and after this what is, then you can find yes how your program is going on. So thank you for attending this lecture. Thank you.